my sort of first experience with crypto didn't start when I met CZ, right? I started in 2017. And that's where I was in actually Boca Raton, attending a Futures Industry Association, which I go every year. But that was the first year that I saw a lot of crypto boys coming through. And I got quite intrigued with this new industry. What exactly does it represent? The more I understood it, I said, look, I think this is the future of finance.
Much higher than 80,000. Binance CEO revealed bull market prediction, say 2025 to be even better for crypto. In a new interview on Bankless YouTube channel, Teng predicted that Bitcoin will surpass $80,000 before the end of the year. His prediction for 2025 is for Bitcoin and other digital assets to have a better year than 2024 due to improving macroeconomic conditions.
I think 2025 is going to be an even better year than 2024 for crypto industry in general, because the general macroeconomics condition will be much better. We're probably going to see interest rate reduction towards the end of this year. There's going to be a much better macroeconomic environment, much more enlightened interest rate environment. So I think all those will boost crypto prices even further in 2025. So my base prediction, end of 2023, was 80,000 this year, 120,000 by next year. But what I didn't predict was the strong, robust inflows from the institutions after the launch of ETF. I didn't expect the ETF to be approved so quickly, so early on in the year. My prediction for ETF approval was possibly towards the end of 2024 or even 2025, right? So I think I have changed my prediction because of that. My price for end of this year is much higher than 80,000. I'm not going to give you the price, but it's much higher than my base price end of last year. And I think next year will be a much better year compared to this year. That's my view. You have seen a lot of analysts coming out, including from Standard Chartered, to say that by next year, Bitcoin should reach 200,000. If there's a squeeze, it should reach $250,000. So I think there's still some room to grow, both for Bitcoin as well as tokens such as Ether, where the ETF has just been approved. Again, with all this approval of ETF, it brings new liquidity, new user pool. I mentioned 15 billion has flown into the Bitcoin ETF since the beginning of the year after their approval, and that's very robust, right? We will continue to see pretty robust institutional demand on that front, and that is really very beneficial for the crypto community.